Hi guys, I'm Mackie Messer, but you can call me Mackie, and welcome to my forge. Today my anvil here, I'm forging something my wife asked for me, and that's a curtain holder. So not the bar that holds the curtain, the little things on the side. We can screw on wood, and I decided to take these two pieces of junk metal to try to make something nice out of it. Let's see what happens. So, here we go. They both done. One pair of curtain holders. Woo! I will make a little montage in the end, like I screw them in the wall and stuff like this, if you're interested. If not, that's the finished product. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video, you get a bit of entertainment out of it, or maybe you learned something, but I don't think so, I'm a total beginner. Otherwise, hopefully see you next time. Ciao and bye bye.